Hello everyone, my name is James Orton. I'm with our ride today. This is a 2020 BMW X3 M Competition. Exclusivities to the M Competition is 30 extra horsepower, these massive 21-inch wheels, exclusive black mirror caps and front grille. So 503 horsepower, 0 to 60 time in 3.3 seconds. Let's fire it up. Alright, here on the interior of the X3 Competition, you have this beautiful red and quilted merino leather. Those are illuminated headrests, so when you turn the lights on, those will be illuminated. Give a nice dynamic look to your interior. Paddle shifters here we were making noise with, and quick downshifts, 8-speed automatic. You got your M mode buttons here, so you can program those to different things, how you prefer them. So I had it in Sport Plus the whole time. You could change those down here too. And the pipes, if you don't want them to be loud, you can turn that off, but we definitely love that in these programs. Thanks for hanging out with me and taking a ride. Have a great day and safe travels to you and your family.